Hi, welcome back or welcome to the channel. Today we'll be looking at the speed editor for DaVinci Resolve. For those of you guys that don't know, the speed editor is actually supposed to, sort of help ramp up the speed, so to speak. It's in the name. It's supposed to make it so you actually do stuff quicker in, DaVinci Resolve. I'm going to go over it a bit, and then we will actually show exactly what it does, let's say. But yeah, basically this knob is supposed to control the timeline, make it quicker. If you'd like to purchase this along with DaVinci Resolve Studio, there'll actually be a link in the description below, but this does work on the free version as well. But yeah, enough talking about it. Let's actually see how it performs in, DaVinci Resolve. And now, as you can see, we are actually in DaVinci Resolve. And I'm not touching the mouse at all. I'm just using the editor. So it lets me scrub through the timeline. Now, to be honest, I actually have, I have a mouse which I'll leave a link in the description below to my mouse as well, because it's actually the MX, Logitech MX3. But yeah, like I said, it does tend to work better on the cut tab than on the edit tab, but it works okay on the, edit tab as well. The different cam sections, there's different things like that shortcut right here that's supposed to be a cut shortcut, the trim, all that stuff. Like I said, it does work better on the cut section. Okay, let's see. Let's go ahead and play around with this. In, out. Okay, this is, as you can see, it is doing, it's actually doing quite a bit more than I wanted it to. I didn't want to create another one, so I'll just delete it. Yeah, I'll just delete it. Okay, and then stop play. That's probably the biggest thing. The only bad thing is that it's so noisy. That's probably the biggest downside. That it's super noisy. Actually, we're going to unlink these clips so we can get rid of most of these audio tracks, okay? That was just me getting rid of it. I cheated a little bit because the editor, the best feature in my opinion is the fact that you can scrub your timeline so easily. Yeah. And the different buttons here that let do different things. Yeah, so you just have to play around with such till you find everything working how you need it to. Like I said, it works the best in cut. As you can see, that's the add transition. And then if we go here, yeah, add transition, and then split perfectly here. See, now we're cooking. Now we are cooking. Audio levels. Well, it would help if we were actually on an audio channel before we actually did stuff involving audio levels. Full view. See? Full view, just to click up the button. Close up. You know, you just kind of have to long press. Oh, and you'll actually like this if you have different cams. You can actually put different cams in there. This is kind of a rough tutorial of it. Yeah, that's basically it. It had Bluetooth as well as plugged in, but I'll be honest, the battery's almost dead, so I wasn't able to use the Bluetooth of it, but yeah. So yeah, this is it. And it's honestly not bad. If I didn't have my mouse, I'd probably use this more often. Like I said, it works best on the cut tab, but they have added a little bit more support for it on the edit tab. I don't know if using this is something you are into. It takes a little bit of getting used to if you're going to use it. So definitely keep that in mind. And yeah, I'm just going to make a quick video on it. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys use this? Do you have one? Did you know it existed? Let me know, comment section below. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.